Marteeyet's journey in music began in the early 90s when he first picked up a guitar as a young boy. The moment his fingers touched the strings, he felt an instant connection. Music became his way of expressing himself, and he knew it was his calling. As Marteeyet grew, so did his talent. He started playing in local bands and performing at community events, but Marteeyet didn't stop there. He also became a gifted singer, a talented songwriter, and a visionary video maker. His creativity seemed endless, and he loved exploring new ways to share his music with the world. Over the years, Marteeyet's dedication and hard work paid off. He became famous not only among the Lisu community, but also beyond. His music touched the hearts of people from different backgrounds, proving that music truly is a universal language. Marteeyet's talents didn't end with performing and writing songs. He also became a music producer, helping other artists bring their musical visions to life. His unique touch and deep understanding of music made him a sought-after producer. Today, Marteeyet is celebrated as a beacon of musical excellence. From his humble beginnings in the 90s to his current status as a multi-talented artist, his journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. He continues to create music, tell stories, and connect with people through his art. Marteeyet's story is a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. He has inspired many, and his music will forever echo in the hearts of those who hear it. His legacy continues to grow, encouraging future generations of musicians to follow their dreams and create their own paths in the world of music. Share his story if you like Marteeyet's journey. Shama Wa for watching. See you next video.